Hey guys, let's discuss fiber optic connectors, crucial for maintaining a stable network. There's a variety, so let's dive in. LC connectors, small and latch-style, ideal for high-density data centers. SC, larger push-pull style, suitable for older systems. For serious bandwidth, MPO'd MTP connectors support 40G, 100G, and 400G networks. They're great for multi-fiber connections. AC connectors, bayonet-style for older campus or industrial sites. FC, screw-in style, used in specialized applications. Consider fiber number, fiber mode, boot length, polish type, and termination style when choosing the right connector. Keep in mind you'll need duplex, single, multimode, standard or short, angled boot lengths, and field-terminated or factory pre-terminated terminations. Enjoy learning!